Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to unlock and equip the new TDM elimination effect in 2026. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to launch your game, basically that particular game in which you want to unlock and equip this new TDM elimination effect. For the sake of this video, I have launched PUBG. So here, when you are on the home screen of PUBG, in every new update, PUBG adds fresh elimination effects through the events, crates and limited time rewards. So the first step is to check where the effect is actually placed. For that, you can just simply tap on the option of newbie. Here in this section, you need to look for the section that is showing you the cosmetics. If the elimination effect is available here, you will see it inside this particular list. Some of the updates are going to give it through the progress missions, while others add it inside a crate. Now if it is inside a crate, you just have to tap on the option of crates. After that, you need to open the one that includes elimination effect. Then you need to check the reward pool. Now once you get the effect, you are going to go to the mail section, and when you click on the option of claim, it is going to move into your inventory. So most of the players forget this step, so if you see that, you just have to do it first. Now you need to go back here on the home page. Here in the bottom right hand corner of the screen, you will see the option of inventory. When you tap on the option of inventory, you need to go to the option of workshop or appearance or effects, and depending on which PUBG version you are using, you need to scroll down and you are going to basically find the TDM elimination effect listed here. You need to tap on it, and then you are going to see the option of equip. So when you tap on the option of equip, this is going to activate the effect for all the supported modes. So if this particular option doesn't show here, you can reopen your inventory and check that no older effect is still equipped, because PUBG allows only elimination effect at a time, so you can unequip the previous one before applying the new one. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.